Welcome back, team. I'm Juliette, and for all of you and you guys who just met me first time today, I'm so excited to announce that from September 1st, 2020, we begin our daily workout schedule here on YouTube platform. You can get the schedule on my website, and it is absolutely free. Team, 7 days a week, I will be here for you to coach you, to push you out, of course, of your comfort zone and support you every possible way I can, so you, team, can get an amazing and long-lasting results. So our daily workout programs will include variety of endurance, strength, balance, flexibility, cardio, exercises. Every single day, we're going to be doing new workout, such as HIIT, full body strength, pilates, yoga lattes, restorative pilates, restorative yoga, power yoga, and many more other surprise workouts for you guys. All of my workout routines for men and for women, and those are, team, very easy to follow, and you can do them in the comfort of your own home. And it doesn't matter, guys, what is your current fitness level is, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. I will make sure that all of you get really safe, fun, and super effective strong workout. Guys, together we will build new healthy habits to improve quality of your life, and I will show you how to make difficult lifestyle changes surprisingly easy. Also, team, I put for you together a list of equipment we're going to be using in our daily workouts, and you can find this link down below in this video description. All of that equipment in that list I personally use, guys, and I must say, quality of the equipment is very important. It must be safe, easy to use, and pleasant to work out with. In my opinion, this is a very important thing. Guys, I can't wait, and I'm so excited to begin this new fitness journey with you all. Team, and one more thing I want to leave you with. Do not be afraid of the challenges and changes, because in order for us to grow and to make changes in our life, we must always push ourselves out of the comfort zone. We must accept responsibility for our actions and our daily choices we make. But the most important thing, guys, we must be willing to give absolutely best to everything we do, those maximum efforts. Team, again, I'm just so excited and I can't wait. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the result-driven people community, because that's who we are. Make sure, guys, to subscribe and hit that bell button so you would never miss your daily workouts. Guys, let's get ready to sweat together, and we will do it together.